Can you turn off repost you do on TikTok? No, you cannot turn off the repost you have made on TikTok, but you can simply remove it. The repost feature shares someone else's video to your friends for you feed, but if you change your mind, then you can undo it in seconds, but you cannot turn that feature off. So all you have to do is open the TikTok app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your TikTok account. So now let's simply repost this first of all. Tap on the share icon available at the bottom right corner of your screen and you will get to see repost button available there and repost it. And here you will find your all the reposted videos. So now all you have to do is go back to the For You page and repost the video and go back to the profile and check if you have confirmed the repost or not. Now here, once on your profile, if you see that video available and you want to undo this, then all you have to do is tap on the video, repeat the same process and tap on the repost again and it will remove it. So that is how easy it is. Now you can remove other reposted video according to your preferences as well by following the same process. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel and thank you so much for watching.